For a decade, nature lovers, conservationists, and bird enthusiasts have gathered in the heart of Louisiana to celebrate one of the most spectacular birding events in the region. This year marks the 10th anniversary of the St. Bernard Bird Festival. Birds are among the most important creatures in God's creation. Without them, insects might overrun our planet, consuming grasses, crops, and trees. These feathered travelers are vital to our ecosystem, and St. Bernard Parish is uniquely positioned as a crucial stop along their journey. Each year, migratory birds follow the Mississippi River, traveling from the Gulf of Mexico to Canada and beyond, many making their first stop right here in St. Bernard Parish. Our wetlands, forests, and shorelines provide a safe haven for over 100 species of both native and migratory birds. The St. Bernard Bird Festival is ecotourism at its finest, showcasing birds, native plants, and the beauty of Louisiana's natural habitats. Experience expert-led birding tours, engaging presentations from conservationists, and breathtaking airboat excursions to the Big Mar Bird Rookery, one of the largest rookeries in southeast Louisiana. Enjoy stunning bird photography, handcrafted artwork, and interactive exhibits while learning about reforestation and conservation efforts. Local experts will be on hand to guide you through nature trails, share insights on native plants, and even help you set up a Purple Martin house in your own backyard. Whether you're a seasoned birder or just love the great outdoors, join us in celebrating 10 years of birds, nature, and community. The festival thanks Parish President Louis Pomez, St. Bernard Parish Government, St. Bernard Tourist Commission and its director, Katie Tomasio, Parish Historian William Highland, and the Los Isleños Heritage and Cultural Society. The festival also thanks Sheriff Jimmy Pullman, the St. Bernard Sheriff's Department, and Emile Pelletier. Come spread your wings at the 10th Annual St. Bernard Bird Festival, where nature, history, and community come together.